How to convert text within images and outline text into live text for editing in Adobe Illustrator. To change the text within images, begin by selecting the image you wish to edit. Within the interface, locate the Type section at the top and click on the Retype Beta option. Afterward, press Enter within the Retype Beta panel, allowing you to proceed. Select your preferred font and with a simple click of Apply, your choice will be implemented. To make text changes within the image, just click on the text you want to edit. This same sequence of actions can be repeated to edit any additional text present in the image.